How to transfer money from Neteller to PayPal. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to Neteller and then you're gonna have to link a credit card, and then from Neteller we're gonna send money to that credit card, and then from that credit card to PayPal. So basically this is the only way to do that. Now what you're gonna have to do in order to add a credit card on Neteller and withdraw the money is to simply go to the money out section, then click withdraw now under the credit or debit card, then simply choose a card, or if you want you can simply add a new one, then simply enter the amount and click next. Now the next step is to simply go to PayPal, then go to wallet and then simply click on link a card. Now after you add your card here, simply go to that card, click on it, and then simply scroll down and make sure to click on set as preferred. And as you can see, they're gonna use this when you shop or send money for goods and services. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.